Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Auto and RV Insider. Guys, seriously, just look at this behind me. I've seen a lot of luxury cars in my life, but this is on a whole different level. This right here is the custom Cadillac Motorhome. I mean, look at that deep red finish. It literally looks like someone took a luxury mansion and built it inside a Cadillac. Today, I'm going to show you every single corner of this beast, stuff you've probably never seen before. First, let's talk about the vibe. Look at that iconic Cadillac grille and those massive chrome wheels. Trust me, when this hits the road, everyone is going to stop and stare. The sheer size of this thing is insane, and these side panels actually slide out to create even more space inside. Honestly, I still can't believe this is actually a vehicle. Okay, let's step inside because that's where the real magic happens. Oh my god, just look at this. Does this look like a 7-star hotel or what? The sofas are premium hand-stitched leather, and check out this massive TV. It's like carrying your own private cinema on every road trip. Even the kitchen is incredible. I think it might be bigger than the one in my house. We've got marble countertops, a hidden fridge, and everything feels so premium you're almost afraid to touch it. Now, check out the master bedroom. There's a full glass roof right above the bed, so you can literally sleep under the stars. And sitting in the driver's seat? Man, it feels like I'm about to launch a spaceship. There's carbon fiber everywhere and futuristic screens all around. So, that was a quick tour of this Cadillac beast. Honestly, I'm obsessed. Which part was your favorite? The kitchen or that huge 75-inch TV? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you want to see the full, in-depth review with all the crazy details and the price, make sure to check out my channel, Auto and RV Insider, right now. I've covered everything there. See you in the next one.